is like even the community we are at war with other community, they mix up Ackee in it. So the whole community and the people, the resident, them fear of them life. Ackee not really in a war with nobody.
This is another MyView TV exclusive. Please remember to hit the notification bell, like, share, and subscribe.
I don't bring nobody forward in here to cheer for me. Everything what you see happen, man, natural talent. Man, me tell you something. You see, when you know what to please the audience with, it's simple, man.
My people, hope everybody okay, hope everybody alright. Have a fabulous Friday. Whatever makes you feel bad, drop it. Whatever makes you feel good, keep it. It is simple as that. Happy Friday. Big up everybody who step out today and I go get paid. If you now get paid, me always tell you, find a work. Every day above GRUNG is a blessing. People, remember me always come tell us so we can agree to disagree. Yeah, man, but some man need to know this through self. You understand? And everything me say me know I go work with, You understand? And me know that already, I'm alright with that. But me don't tell us me not like him and rude them. I say what I said that I mean what I said that I not take it back. Me not like nobody will sell out them own. You understand? Me will never like somebody who sell out them own. Remember them sell out Koji and them sell out Nani. Don't forget about them little thing there. You understand? When you know what said them maroon them down a Scott style now attack. If you got the police to run in for them one time and take with some people down there. So them say them have this and them have that paper. Me tell you nothing to know this thing on yourself. But me soon touch that in the car. Remember say man a time now. Yes, my people them still about. But so rich as some me give people them the news. And then we deal with a little maroon issue. Enough people are get themselves killed, call themselves maroon. You can't stand there. Bug Lane in Bug Savannah, St. Elizabeth was the scene of a fatal shooting on Wednesday. The body of an unidentified man was found at about 8 o'clock. It is reported that residents heard explosion and called the police. The body, which had bullet wound, was later found. A car with various items, including a shovel, a pickaxe stick, was found nearby. You see the man them did not go bury, but them couldn't find the spot to dig the right hole. Me I tell you no people, I shall give them the dash that in. This is the third murder on Bug Lane since the start of the year. An American visitor and a woman was killed in January and April. Remember me they tell them about that already, So no need for it. All of the news are me a go now. You understand? Anyway, we'll go over Bull Bay right now because I be a little thing going over there. So no motive have been established for the fatal shooting of two men in Bull Bay in his Kingston Police Division. The men have been identified as 21-year-old Sheldon Chamberlain of Taylorsland, Bull Bay, and 26-year-old Oren Bennett of no fixed address. Yes, man. You don't live nowhere. You don't have no fixed address. And you over Bull Bay and give them self trouble. What you think that happen? You don't feel like the man over there that set up and slap you away. Eh? Me tell you no people, but una go come ball and say, yo, I go out them. The man no go out, them a troublemaker. About 1 o'clock Tuesday morning, residents of Taylor heard gunfire and called the police, but boy, upon the road that whole end, so them think that I got them. The body of the two men were later found. Since you know what the pan road at all ends, man just saw roll up on and snap put away. People be like Wagwan, but I feel like some no like Wagwan. When them group up on road, but them have done this and done that. That's how we reach them. Now, my people, I take a walk going to St. Mary. Radius Road people, me so come, so nobody stay too far. 34-year-old electrician, Redford car, who rescued a child last year from dog attack, has been freed of assault charge. John No Star, I'm glad for the good Samaritan. He was arrested and charged following the complaint made by the owner of the dog. Car was free on Tuesday in the St. Mary Parish Court following a no-case submission made by attorney at law, Ernita Morris, who represented him. Carr was driving his motor vehicle in Mango Valley District, St. Mary on April 4th last year when he saw a dog attacking a 10-year-old boy who was walking on the roadway. He jumped from his vehicle and threw a stone at the dog in order to rescue the boy. The boy had received medical treatment as a result of the injuries suffering during the dog attack. And not stay good, Tanisha Williams, the owner of the dog, complained that Carr came into her yard to beat her up. A lie she had telling her. And he was charged with assault, occasional bodily harm. What a girl lie. Carr admit to chase the dog into the owner's yard but deny assaulting the woman. The lawyer suggests to the witness under cross-examination that she got upset when she saw Carr in her yard and attacked him, but she denied the suggestion. At cross-examination, the dog owner admit to being a complainant in 5 other cases before the court. Oh, she won't have so much case before court. It is suggested to her that she is known to be litigious, but she denied the suggestion. She just love run got quota money. She look. Money she a look. Yes, big and not stay good. The dog owner had testified that she received several injuries from car as a result of the alleged beating. However, under cross-examination, the defense lawyer pointed out the evidence revealed that no such injury was observed by the police or doctor who saw the dog owner immediately after the incident. After the Crown closed the case on Tuesday, Champagne submitted the testimony of the complainant was totally discredited. The prosecution concluded that the judge then freed Carr of the assault charge. Yes, but glad said them free, me understand. But this a woman them for that shy behind bars, man. SLAPWEH. You know, say that woman I mean go to society. She's a criminal. Anyway, people. Anyway, we're going back on the park lane now. We're going to a little park lane update.
A tense calm prevails within the space. We have a unit that is pretty much static. We have a static unit there, as also we have a unit that roves the space, the general space, and gives some coverage to the citizens there. That alone, though, will not remedy the situation. And so we are working on the social intervention aspect of the thing. Because unless we can have the conflict resolved, the deeper conflict resolved, then we'll always be having these issues. As it relates to what transpired within the lane recently, that is intra-gang. It's a tussle for turf control between parties that were once allies who are now, you know, going at each other.
That's how we are going on from Park Lane ends. And the police them say, yo, the residents them don't want to talk. So me say, yo, allow them if them don't want to talk, me them angle them bangle for themselves. But the brown suit man I beg a favor now. Yes, the brown suit man I beg a favor. Him see a man me attack. The man say, Jevan bike, him still a look fit. Me attack the bike for man in zero, the crashing a bike truck and the rider dead. Yes, right pan spot. And the pillion the hospital a battle for him life. Yes, that's the same bike that me attack about.
The police have been unable to locate the motorcycle, which is critical for any investigations that should follow and for any benefit that is the deceased man's estate would accrue to them, any benefit that would accrue to them. So I would want to implore any person who would have removed that. Leave it somewhere, advise the police, because it is critical to push forward our investigations. It doesn't matter whether the motorcycle was licensed or insured or otherwise.
Me I beg anybody at the bike bring you back the bike critical to the investigation. Here the police said himself there. Yes, so me just telling you what the police say. Right now we are take a walk, go down Ackee walk. Yes, you know the bridge right down there so before you go up on Red Hills Hill. Yeah man, right down Ackee walk over there. The little community around there so whole heap of people don't like. War round there. Whole heap of war round there, but the people man go like say nothing now go on.
It's like even the community we at war with other community, they mix up Ackee in it. So the whole community and the people, the residents, them fear of them life. Ackee not really in a war with nobody.
Once it is Ackee, it brew over to Greendale. So that is just a tension. But I don't know what last night coming from. Because a lot of small tension going on.
No matter worrying yourself, people, the police them so have body round there for go pick up some big shootout go on about the man them miss. And then me tell you what me don't like. The people them always elect some representative round there make no sense. Cause here this a full council here him.
I don't know. The police have been over by Ackee side several times, and as late as last week I gathered they were there and they patrolled the investigation. But we can't seem to come to grips with exactly what is happening, apart from the rumors that have been going around on social media as to what is happening.
Right down at St. Elizabeth, my God, now, people. Yes, before I reach up on my round town, I stop right at Burn Savannah. You see the man them slap in Nicardo. Yes, them slap him with them. I said the local shooting go on out of Vista Plaza where them slap with chef. Him do it. You see how quick them find him and slap him. But anyway, that I come for talk about now. Right up at Akumpum town, my God, right now. Me tell the people them something. You can't put anybody together, have one good leader who can brainwash. Anybody and people get brainwashed. If me not sure about nothing, me sure about this. And me I be honest, so don't know.
And they wouldn't be recognized in the international community as sovereign. They are not a separate state. They are part of the Jamaican state and as some measure of local authority granted by the agreement and confirmed by statutory provision. Treaties can be used in two senses. Treaty can be used in respect of an agreement, very frequently where there are rebels or insurrectionists and the matter is resolved by agreement, and that is called a treaty. But in international law, treaty is between two sovereign states or between sovereign states and international organizations which have legal status in international law. The Maroons do not constitute a state, and so they can be a party to an international treaty which is recognized in international law. But it's limited to what it says. It doesn't give them status as an international state, which can enter into treaties with other governments or become a member of the United Nations or anything like that. But the thing about it is that because it is a local agreement, it can be a change by statute passed by the Parliament, which has the supreme legal authority to do that. You know, there might be constitutional questions where it gives certain rights, like rights of property, that you can't take away the right of property without compensation, in accordance with our charter, right?
Remember me always tell you so we can agree to disagree. I mean, I have to make up the story, come tell you, you only need for do. Go and go read for yourself and find out exactly what I go on. Remember me tell you, man, about your time, you know. We not deal with Maroon. Maroon sell out them own and them something, so we not deal with them. But anyway, tell a friend, tell another friend, come check us out.